In this video, I am going to show you one aesthetic minimal wedding website. In this wedding website, we are using black and white and beige color. So I will design everything in this, including RSVP form, wedding registry, gift card, reception, each and everything. So first of all, moving toward the guide, how I designed this website. It is a very simple guide. Just sit on the seat and watch this YouTube video complete. First, I will like to show you the demo of this website so you can get idea what we are going to design. Here the website, simple, it is a click to open envelope website. If I click on this, like I refresh it, just you want to see the animation. So I added the animation, just click on it and then you see the wedding website. It whole website has a very minimal aesthetics, and you can say it has very nice wording, everything. So first I show you, this is the monogram. So anyone who want to get this website, I will create a custom monogram for him, related to their first letter initials like E and S. So you just see the website design. Look, I make it. Okay, so this is the website design. Each and everything is designed very carefully. Here you can see the live countdown. Okay, so these are the detail page. I show you how it works. This is wedding timeline, RSV, and here is the RSVP. So first we check the detail, travel and stay details. Detail page is very beautifully designed. Again, directions. So we are to stay, hotels, each and everything. Here you click to go above or go back. Okay. So next is the RSVP form. I show you, it is also minimal design and very beautifully designed. You can see the quality of this wedding website, like this card, envelope, everything is designed in minimal style. Like you can see here the monogram. Again, RSVP form, it is connected with Canva. So let's design this website. Here is the website, each and everything. So first thing is that if you want to edit the fonts, your name, just click on it. Here this font name is Light, so you can edit here any name. Ethan and Sarah, you can add your name. This is the same text. This is the envelope. If you want to change the envelope, in the elements, in the left section, you can see the elements. So here you type the envelope, you can see many envelopes design. One thing I want to say here, if you see the cap or cap on any product, if you use any of these elements, it will be premium. So you just use the elements without the cap. One thing is that, otherwise you can buy a premium Canva and use anything. One more thing, if you are thinking that like we are to get this design, so don't worry about the design. The link of this design, this template, is given in the YouTube description. You just click on the template link, demo link. You can get this template and I will make the custom design for you. So if you want to change this, just click on this and you can see new envelope is added. Okay, so if you want to change any envelope, anything, you just drag and drop. You just drag and drop, like this one. This is not working, drag and drop, but this will work. Okay, you can see how beautiful this is. So it is like very nice and simple design. Okay, so next here the 4 pages of this website. I show you the next page. Now maybe you're thinking how I make this monogram. As I said that this monogram is custom made. So custom monogram, we design it like it is handmade design. We make it with the Adobe Illustrator and make very nice. Next, same, this is the text, here the date, and now the next section, you can see this is the frame. You can't make this frame yourself, like you think from where you get it. Is again custom made. Like some elements are custom made, some from Canva. So as I said that in the template you will get it everything without any trouble, without any problem. You can just customize it. Here the story, you can add your story, or this is the general content which is important for the website. Here is the picture gallery. You can upload your picture here. So how you will upload? click on this upload section and upload any picture. You upload any picture. After the uploading the picture, you just like you drag and drop. You drag this and it will be automatic fit in the frame. Okay, so it is very simple. Just drag the picture and put in the frame. Again, here is the our love story page. So this is no need to customize because it is already very nice. So you just change here the name. This is the icon, like we called it Savan icon. So in this template, I am offering you 100 custom designs. I show you here is the 100 free designs to use. Like if you get this template, you will get these all icons which are free to use. Some of them are premium, but we make this file of 100 icons which are totally free. So you can use these man, these lovebirds, these candles, anything. These are 100 custom designs which are specially free with this template. So you can pick any icon, put here, or what you think. Okay, so it don't worry about this one. If you want to get this in the elements, you can write here the wedding icon. Here you can also get the wedding icons here. Here you can see coming here the icons, but here some with the cap. So if anyone with the cap, you can't use them. Okay, but I will give you this file. These are the 100 icon file. So you just copy any, you just click copy and paste on your design. Okay, so don't worry about this one. Next is the date, and here is the counter. For the counter, I have this link. When you click on the counter in the template, here you can get the link. So simply click on this link. I show you how it works. Click on this link. Just a moment. You can make its a clone, change the date. Here is the countdown. You click on these three dots and clone this countdown. Copy like this one. Click just on this one. Hold a moment. Click on the countdown. Here you can change the date and the timer will be changed. And it is just loading. I show you at the same time. Name of the color, it will be name of the color, like countdown has the name here. Here countdown has the name. So you can change the name of the color. You want to change the digit color, last unit color. This one is the last unit color. Here the custom background, but these are the background options, border. So everything already I used the perfect. You just change here the, you click on the date and you can change here. Also the transparent background is a good option. From here you can change the font style which you want to get. Here the what things you want to add here, minutes, weeks, month, it will be added in this. So English, you can change here the languages, any language you want to change, like the style these days also will be changed into the different language. Okay, so this is the design. After making, you click on the make a countdown. Click on the make a countdown. It will give you the link. You just copy the link and paste in the design. Just a moment, it is designing the countdown link. Here it gives the link. Okay, so meanwhile it is designing, I show you the next part, countdown. Then this is the image. You can change it just from the upload. You can upload it, or in the elements you can write any image. Without the image, without cap, like without pre-image, you can choose. Here you can write about the detail, like the ceremony, reception, children. These are the dress code, like the dress code, which colors you want the people come on your marriage ceremony. Here the travel, here the view detail page. So sometime I think that like some of the my clients have requested the link here is removed, like they click on the view on the details, but it is not going to the page. So how you can add other page to link, like view detail is my second page. I will click on this pen. First delete this link, then I click on this 1 minute, this click on this link, and you can here the second page, click on the second page and done. Now it will have the underline. Click on the underline, will be removed. And if you click on this view detail, now it will be go to the next page. Here is a note for the gift registry. Here you can create your registry for the people, or you can add here the PayPal, Gmail. It is a good, if anyone want to give you the gift as a money, he can send on your PayPal account. Next is the wedding timeline. If you want to add other timeline, it is everything is editable. Okay, So you can change these dates, these contacts. If you copy and add the next, if you feel any problem, you just contact me, on the on the shop. I also have the button, like, or you contact me on my WhatsApp number in my description. Next is the RSVP form. So RSVP form, and let us know, if someone click on the let us know, it will go to the RSVP form. Next, I show you the how I design the next page. Next page is this one. Go back, simple content, and I have added the link of the page 2 here, as I showed you previously how I added the link. So someone click on the go back, it will go to the back. This will be, it is icon of the map, as per we are making the minimal design, aesthetic, beautiful. So this is the custom made. You will get it free of cost, like with the template. And the template, it is already the directions. Buy a car, if you want to go buy a car, you can add this. Otherwise, you want to delete them and make this section small, like you want to, here you have the option to unlock it and make it small, big. Okay, so it is in your control. Next is this one. Okay, next is the this one design. Here you can add the book, here your link, name of the hotel. If someone click on the book, here he can book. Here the hotel's name, and go back button. These are already fit, so someone click on the go back. Simply I have added the link of the previous page. Each and everything is designed minimalist. Next is the RSVP form. Again, monogram is here with your name. I can personally design it for you, so don't worry about this design. From where you get it, you get it from me. Okay, next is the place. Here the RSVP form. You want, how you added this RSVP form, like you want to add it, you want to add some question in this RSVP form, just click on it. Here you can see the edit. So if you want to add the short question, click on the short question, it will give you to add short question. If you want to click on the edit, click on the form, then click on the edit. Here you can add long answer, multiple choice, checkbox, anything you want to add it here. So your guest can, like anything, any game, any song. The important thing I added, like, please share any food dietary, will let us know how many guests will be celebrating, are you coming, email address and your name. That's it. And RSVP. Then you will be conscious of how you can get the RSVP, how you can get the guest detail. If someone submit RSVP form, here you can see the responses. Okay, like I have, here you can share the design. After the design sharing, you get the responses. For example, here I use an email and try to do the RSVP. So now the one RSVP is submitting. Once it is submitted, here you can see the response. Now we can see on the responses, loading the response, one response will be received. You can see Zoya Creative, timestamp, your name, email address, are you coming? This is the, okay. So you want to track the progress, simply click on the view progress, link to the sheet. In the sheet, you can also have the all guest details. Okay. If click on the sheet, it will show you like this one. Like I am showing you how you get the RSVP, how you collect the information of the guest. Simply here you can see Zoya Creative has submitted a responder, times and your name, address, are you coming, and this everything is added. So here in the Canva you can track the progress, each and everything with the embedded form. If you think that like you want to use the Google form, then no need for this. On the RSVP, like RSVP is here, let us know. On this you can edit it and add here the Google form link. I show you the Google form link, like where is the Google form, like this one. I with this template I send you this Google form also. It has again the details. Here is the Ethan and Sarah wedding. This is the Google form. You can publish it and share with your guest to receive all the details, responses. You will see here the responses and link to the sheet. Same like the Canva, it has a Google form. So someone think that how I change this image is very simple to change. Like here you click on the theme, customize theme. Here uploaded image, delete it and choose the image. Any image you want to add here. Here the some are ready image, otherwise you can upload the image and it will be uploaded here. Then how you get this image? So as I said, everything I provide you, here you will get the one template for your design with your monogram. Here you just change the name. Here you can download it It is the RSVP form theme. You download it. It will be according to your website design. So you receive it and then you choose image and upload in the RSVP form. So you get RSVP, Google Form, you get the complete template. You have the link given in the description. It is like selling on the Etsy with 50% discount. Like I have created 50 plus websites, but still I will 100% assure you this one is my best design. Like I it takes a lot of time, a lot of the struggle, because this is the most beautiful design because of each and everything is minimal and matching the colors. Uh, like if we have the colorful design, it is easy to customize, but one theme, everything should be decent. It takes a lot of time. You can see just to design this monogram, it takes me a lot of time. Then like this one, I have to get such a card which should match the background. It also its texture should be feel. So the website gave the feelings. When someone open it, he can feel, wow, that's amazing. This wedding website is very nice. And this go back button, each and everything, like we have to show the best creative design which the clients, which the guests should be impressed and never forget your marriage ceremony. You can see this texture of the card, each and everything is minimal design. So in my YouTube description you get this template link and you can edit it.